up, guys? Hello, guys. What's up? Hi, guys. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. You know the way I used to greet now. Don't you really know? Welcome to my channel. Hello, guys. What's up? How you guys doing? Today, I still want to tell you something. You know what? I want to tell you welcome, because if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. First of all, my name is IKEJOY. Hey, I am here to give you videos that will make you happy, that will make you laugh. I am here to tell you both now and then video, you understand? So now, I want to give you a video where we say I go market, won't go buy one or two things for my baby. My dear, hey, wahala dey. There is something I want to show you now. So then, as of like 2 years, okay, let me just say last year, I bought that in 500 naira. 500 naira. Nah. Do you know that I went to the market today to thinking maybe I will get it like 600 or 550. Do you know how much I bought it? 900 naira. Something maybe say, look at it here. This thing maybe say, they give cooking yash. You can even use it and wipe your face. If your face is not good, maybe you have kids. Or maybe your baby. Or you know now. I put it 900 naira. Look at it. 900 naira. Nigeria don't change. Not even saying at the company. The rates where dollar take the rise this time around, they surprise me. The rates where dollar they take the rise this time around, it surprised me. Well, I not just talk too much. I beg, before I forget, make we just enjoy ourselves. Remember to click that red button where they make you subscribe. After that, click the bell so that you'll be getting notification anytime. I'm making you still forgetting and still be your girl, IKEJOY. Okay, now so now market matter now we take today. Now market matter now I do now. So I beg, the way things they take the course. I want you to tell me your side. If you know the price where they used to sell this thing for market, maybe not forget to drop off for that comment section. Maybe you tell us exactly how much they used to sell it, because here I bought it 500. You understand? And I remember I told you it's not from the company. You understand? This is because of the rate of money, the way things take they go up. Okay, or yeah, make you drop your own price. So now so you carry on my side. And that's why I want to talk again now. Now food stuff. This food where we they eat this time around. Now so they still carry money, put up everything gon cost. Even if you say me just go buy okay, look at fuel. Everything costs. Now wow. How much do they sell fuel for your side? How much are they selling fuel on your side? Because here is 200 naira. I don't know whether if it's 1 liter is 200 naira. Fuel that they used to sell 80 naira before. Okay, let's say 150. As of last year, it was 150 now. Yeah, it was 150. Now it's 200 naira. Where are we heading to? Okay, and so you still carry come my side though. I beg, make you still not forget. And I mean still be your girl, IKEJOY. If you're not able to subscribe, ring the bell so you get the notification anytime you upload. See you next video. Bye. Bye.